Hi there, it's Colleen. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your drip settings. So I'm emailed this one a lot. Um, when you set up a course and you set it up to drip your content, you're setting up your, it looks pretty self-explanatory. It gives you the option to set up your drip time and when you're going to drip this content. The only problem is that what time is that drip going to happen? So this is how you're going to make that happen for you. So you're going to start in from your main dashboard. You're going to click settings like I have here, and you're going to look for this one. This tutorial is so simple, but it's just something I'm asked a lot, so I wanted to show you. Click on drip settings. This is the time of the day that your drip categories in your courses or your products are going to be available to your members. So in here, you can see you can just change the time, if you want it available at midnight, of the day, or 8, or, whenever you want to make it available is fine. Change your time zone. Mine is in New York. And then in here, you can either uncheck this or you can leave it checked, which sends an email to any member that's connected with that product whenever your product is dripped out. So that's all there is to that one. But, like I said, it's something that I am emailed about a lot. So I wanted to make sure that I covered it in a quick tutorial. So that's all you have to do. Again, to recap, you're going to be in settings, click drip settings, make your changes. I'm going to go back into Eastern time. I'm going to do mine at midnight and click save. And that's all there is to it. And you're done.